In this video, you will learn how to create map chart in Excel, how to use Excel SUMIFS formula, and how to create drop-down menu. First, let's understand the data. Our data only considers 10 countries. Looking at data about China, adding numbers in deaths, active and recovered equals all cases. Now, we will make a table. Adjust the column size. Indicate below the 10 countries. Below total column, we will use Excel SUMIFS formula. Write equals SUMIFS, open parentheses. The sum range will be the numbers under total column, then comma. Fix the sum range by pressing F4 in your keyboard. Next is the first criteria range, which are the values under country, then comma. Fix the criteria 1 range by pressing F4. The first criteria will be the country, no need to fix. Next is the second criteria range, which is the type of case. Fix it and then comma. The criteria will be the type of case referencing the cell above. We have to fix it. Copy the formula. Go to the cell next to type of case. Go to data. Then data validation. Under allow box, choose list. Under source box, write the type of case, whether it is all cases, deaths, active or recovered. Once done, click OK. Here you have a drop-down menu. Let's choose recovered. The table below will immediately update. Compared to data at the left side, you have China of 53929, South Korea of 135, Iran of 913, and so on. To create a map chart, highlight the table, go to Insert, then Maps, then Field Maps. Now, you have the map chart below. Adjust the size, change the title of the chart. You can use different chart style. This is the second style. The third style has darker background, while the fourth style will highlight the 10 countries which you have the data. For now, we will choose the second one. You can maintain the legend or you can delete it. Place your cursor in any map, then right-click. Choose the Format Data Series. You have the choice to show the names of the countries. This time, we choose None. Under Map Area, you have the option to show only the countries which you have the data. Only 10 countries appear based on our data. You can choose to show the whole world map. Let's choose Automatic this time. China is shaded in very dark blue color since China has the largest number of cases under recovery, while the rest is in lighter blue. You can change color under Series Color. Assign the lowest value with orange while highest value with red color. Now you can exit from Format Data Series. Going back to the table, you have the option to show active case. You can also show number of people died with the virus, or you can show total numbers for all types of case. Let's go back to active case. Let's try to change the figure under China. Let's change it to 500. Watch how the color of China map will change. The color of China map was changed from red to orange because higher values are now belong to Italy, Iran, and South Korea. Let's bring it back to the original number. To have a nice presentation, you can hide this part. Click the view and check the grid lines. Make the table more presentable. Change the size and color of the title. Finally, everything is ready. Good luck on presenting this data in your class or to your boss and office mates during meeting. I wish you all success. Clicking the like icon and sharing this video will be a great help to others. Thanks for watching.